The Oppo F7 is now official after being unveiled on Monday. The handset carries a 6.23-inch LCD display with 1080 by 2280 resolution, which makes the aspect ratio weigh in at 19:9. A MediaTek P60 chipset is under the hood with an octa-core CPU, built with the bigLITTLE architecture, and the Mali G72 GPU. There is an iPhone X-esque notch in front, which hosts the 25 megapixels front-facing selfie snapper. Not only does the front-facing camera offer HDR, it uses AI to determine if the subject is male or female, and enhances the image accordingly. The camera also is used for a facial unlock feature that matches up 128 points to identify the user. The Oppo F7 will come with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of native storage. You can opt for the variant with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of native storage. The rear-facing camera has a 16MP sensor and an aperture of 1.8. Powering the device is a 3400 mAh battery, and Android 8.1 is pre-installed with ColorOS 5.0 on top. April 9th is when the Oppo F7 will launch, and online sales will be exclusive to Flipkart in India. The model with 4GB of RAM will be priced at £273, equivalent to $340 at today's exchange rates. The phone will be offered in Solar Red, Moonlight Silver, and Diamond Black. The unit with 6GB of RAM will set you back £336, $418, and will come in Solar Red and Diamond Black. Unfortunately, we don't expect to see the Oppo F7 hit the US market. Even so, it is interesting to see what is being offered overseas. Oppo released a number of videos for the F7, including an official product video. You can check them out by clicking on the video slideshow below.